plumbing maintenance and gas installation and compliance. Gold Coast, Queensland. With over 1,800 regular customers on the books, this is a golden opportunity to make that sea change to the Gold Coast. Barker Plumbing Services has been the preferred plumber on the Gold Coast for over 16 years. Providing plumbing maintenance, gas installations and compliance certification, the business operates from home. Offering additional income from strata plumbing, there is potential to attract new clients and expand into other services. Services currently cover everything from block drains to hot water installations, emergency plumbing, roof repairs, and more. A trusted owner-operated business, Barker Plumbing Services covers an extensive territory with low overheads. The business services residential and commercial clients, also working with real estate agents and body corps. With the Gold Coast expanding, this opportunity is unbeatable, with plenty of potential for growth.